Hello boys and girls, so now we have my character. So you will already notice that when I click the flag, he is a big character up here, he says his thing, and then he's a small character here. So I went ahead and said set the size to 100, he says what he's going to say and then sets the size to 10. Now the reason I set the size to 10 is he or she needs to fit through here to walk through here. And then after you do that, you want to move it to your new starting position and add a new go to that XY, so that way they're start. So here's the big one XY, here's the little one XY. So this is just a little bit of setup that you're going to want to do first. So now I'm going to show you how do you get your character to move. We're going to be looking at new events today. So our new event is this. Our new event is go down here and you're going to say when this key is pressed. So you're not going to do the space bar, we're going to do the up arrow, and you're going to come back and do that same one again, and then I'm going to do the down arrow and bring another one out. So you're going to have 4 different events, actually 5 if you count your flag, your down arrow, and your up arrow. So you are going to be using your key, you're going to code your keyboard to do this. So an easy way to do this is to go to your motions. Move means that he goes to the right. So that would be move my, instead of up arrow, I'm going to say move the right arrow. And now I'm going to say move, if I want to go left, it is a -10. So now -10. So instead of down arrow, I need to change it to the left arrow. So now when I press my left or right arrows, you see that it moves. But you notice it doesn't move up and down yet. So to move it up and down, you're going to have to scroll down. This is something that you may be unfamiliar with. You're going to go up and down, and there's a button here that says change the Y. So change the Y means go up or down. So I said change the Y to a positive number goes up, so I changed that to my up arrow. And then to go down, yep, you guessed it, it is going to be a negative number. So now it is controlled. So if we are in Nebraska, we are going to go through a corn maze, and then it shows up here, and now you see, oh, so I said do my up arrow as a move it up and negative. So one of these, the negative, needs to do a down arrow, so that's just a little debugging. So always double check if it's not working that these are the right words, up arrow, down arrow. So let's try again. He goes up. Okay, so you see he now moves, but he's not really staying through the maze. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to keep your character in the maze to make it a more fun activity.